Hello everyone, I am Sonal Anand. Welcome to AI Interview Prep Series. In this series, we will cover the most important AI concepts and interview questions from beginner to advanced level. Today's topic is AI basics. We will understand artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and the relationship between these concepts. So, let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly look at today's agenda. We will start by understanding artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. We will then discuss one of the most frequently asked interview questions, the difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning. In the second half of this session, we will explore different types of machine learning, real world AI applications, training versus inference, and the complete AI life cycle. By the end of this session, you will have a clear understanding of the fundamental concepts that serve as the foundation of almost every AI topic. Let's begin with artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence by machines. AI system can perform tasks such as learning, reasoning, decision making, and problem solving. Some common example includes ChatGPT, self-driving cars, virtual assistant like Siri, and recommendation systems used by Netflix and YouTube. A simple interview definition is artificial intelligence is the field of building systems that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that allows systems to learn from data instead of following hard-coded rules. For example, if we want to identify spam emails, we don't manually write thousands of rules. Instead, we provide examples of spam and non-spam emails, and the model learns the patterns automatically. This ability to learn patterns, make prediction, and improve with more data is what makes machine learning so powerful. Some common real-world application includes spam detection, fraud detection, and recommendation systems like Netflix and YouTube. A simple interview answer would be machine learning is a subset of AI that enables system to learn from data and make predictions without being explicitly programmed. Now let's move one step further and talk about deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks. The reason it's called deep learning is because these networks contains multiple layers that help the model learn complex patterns from the data. This is the technology behind many modern AI applications such as image recognition, speech recognition, and large language models like ChatGPT. In simple terms, deep learning allows machine to understand complex data at a much deeper level than traditional machine learning models. A simple interview definition to remember is deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses multi-layer neural network to learn complex patterns from large data sets. Now let's understand the relationship between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Artificial intelligence is the broadest field and focuses on building systems that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence. Machine learning is a subset of AI that allows systems to learn from data instead of relying entirely on predefined rules. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural network with multiple layers to learn complex patterns from large amount of data. The easiest way to remember this is AI contains machine learning and machine learning contains deep learning. Or simply, AI is a subset of machine learning and machine learning is a subset of deep learning. This hierarchy is one of the most frequently asked concepts in AI interviews, so make sure you understand it clearly. Now let's look at three types of machine learning. The first is supervised learning, where the model learns from labeled data, meaning the correct answers are already known during the training. The second is unsupervised learning, where the model works with unlabeled data and tries to discover hidden patterns or relationships on its own. And finally, we have reinforcement learning, where an agent learns through rewards and penalties by interacting with its environment. Each of these learning approaches is designed to solve different types of problems, and we will look at them one by one in the next slides. Now let's talk about supervised learning. In supervised learning, the model is trained using labeled data. meaning the correct answers are already known during training. The model learns the relationship between inputs and outputs and then uses that knowledge to make predictions on new data. Common examples include spam detection, house price prediction, and image classification. For interviews, you can define supervised learning as a machine learning approach where a model learns from labeled data and predicts outcomes for unseen data. Now, let's talk about unsupervised learning. Unlike supervised learning, unsupervised learning works with unlabeled data, meaning the correct answers are not provided during training. Instead of making predictions, the model tries to discover hidden patterns, relationships, or structures within the data on its own. Common applications include customer segmentation, anomaly detection, topic modeling, and recommendation systems. For interviews, unsupervised learning can be defined as a machine learning approach where a model learns from unlabeled data and discover hidden patterns or relationships without predefined outputs. Now, let's talk about reinforcement learning. In reinforcement learning, an agent learns by interacting with its environment. When the agent takes a correct action, it receives an award. When it takes a wrong action, it receives a penalty. Over time, the agent learns which actions lead to better outcomes and gradually develops the best strategy. Some common applications include game playing AI systems such as chess and AlphaGo, robotics, autonomous vehicles, and navigation systems. For interviews, reinforcement learning can be defined as a machine learning approach where an agent learns through rewards and penalties by interacting with an environment. AI is already being used across multiple industries. In healthcare, it helps with disease diagnosis and medical image analysis. In computer vision, it powers self-driving cars and object detection systems. Recommendation systems personalize content on platforms like Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube. And in natural language processing, applications such as ChatGPT, Google Translate, and virtual assistants can understand and generate human language. These are just a few examples of how AI is impacting our daily lives. Another important concept to understand is the difference between training and inference. Training is the phase where a model learns from data and identifies patterns. This process typically requires large data set and significant computational resources. For example, if we provide thousands of cat images to a model, it gradually learns the features that distinguish cats from other objects. Once the model is trained, it moves to the inference phase. During inference, the model uses what it has already learned to make predictions on new unseen data. No learning takes place during this stage. For example, when you upload a new image and the model predicts whether it contains a cat, this is inference. A simple way to remember this is training is like studying for an exam, while inference is like taking the exam. Every AI project follows a life cycle. It starts with data collection and data preparation, followed by model training and evaluation. Once the model performs well, it is deployed into production where it makes predictions through inference. Finally, the model is continuously monitored and improved over time. The entire process from data collection to monitoring is known as AI life cycle. Let's quickly recap today's key takeaways. Artificial intelligence is a broad field focused on building intelligent systems, and machine learning is a subset of AI, and deep learning is a subset of machine learning. We also explored three major learning paradigms: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. We also saw real world examples of AI in our daily lives. Apart from that, we also learned about the difference between training and inference. Finally, we learned that every AI system follows a life cycle, from data collection and training to deployment and monitoring. These concepts from foundation of AI are commonly asked in interviews. And that's a wrap for day 1. In the next video, we will explore machine learning fundamentals, one of the most important topics for AI and ML interviews. If this video helped you understand the basics, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming lessons in this series. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on day 2.